Hello students, in this session you are going to learn chapter 6 Specification and Abstraction. Contents of this session are: first, what is algorithm, next, building blocks of algorithms, and last, algorithmic designing techniques. First, what is algorithm? An algorithm is a step-by-step sequence of statements intended to solve a problem. So an algorithm is a step-by-step procedure which defines a set of instructions to be executed in a certain order to get the desired output. For example, this is an algorithm to add two numbers. First, step 1, we have to start the process. Next, step 2, declare three integer variables a, b and c. Next, step 3, define values for a and b. Next, step 4, add values of a and b. Then next, step 5, store output of step 4 to c. So, the a and b added values will be stored in C. Next, step 6, print C. And last, step 7, stop. So, this is how to write algorithms for problems. Next, building blocks of algorithms. So, we construct algorithms using basic building blocks such as data, variables, control flow and functions. Now let us see each side heading one by one. First, what is data? We know very well data is a collection of facts such as numbers, words or information that's stored in or used by a computer. Here, algorithms take input data, process the data and produce output data. And computer provides instructions to perform operations on data. So this is called data. Next, what are variables? Variables are named boxes for storing data. So when we do operations on data, we need to store the results in variables. So the data stored in the variable is known as the value. For example, a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. Here a and b are variables and the data stored in it is 10 and 20, that is value. So this is called variable. Next, what is control flow? Control flow is the order in which the computer executes statements in a program. So here algorithms use control flow to make decisions, that is in which order the statement should be executed. And there are three important control flow statements. First, sequential control flow. Here, a sequence of statements are executed one after another in the same order as they are written. And next, alternative control flow. Here, a condition of the state is tested, and if the condition is true, then one set of statements will be executed, and if it is false, then other set of statements will be executed. And the last one is iterative control flow. Here the group of statements will be repeatedly executed until it becomes false. So this is about control flow. Next, what are functions? The parts of an algorithm are known as functions. A function is like a sub-algorithm. So, a large algorithm can be split into several small sub-algorithms, and each sub-algorithm will perform some specific functions. So, functions will reduce the size and complexity of the algorithms. Next, algorithm design techniques. So, algorithmic designing techniques have 4 basic principles like first, specification. So, the first step in problem solving is to state the problem precisely. So, the specification of an algorithm consists of the name of the algorithm, the input property and the desired input-output relation. Next, abstraction. Here, it will ignore or hide the unnecessary details and take only the essential properties for the problem. And next, composition. So, an algorithm is composed of assignment and flow of control statements. And the last one is decomposition. So, here it will divide the main algorithm into several functions. So, these are the basic principles in designing algorithmic techniques. Next, today's assignment question is, what is an algorithm? So, with this, I conclude our class today. Thank you.